So I just made this epic recipe for chili on this channel. It's no beans, all meat and veggies. And I figured, let me show you how I take my Sunday chili and turn it into an epic Taco Tuesday moment by making chili tacos. You can use taco boats, these little tortilla bowl things. These are the mini shaped, or you can also use your corn tortillas. These specifically are the super stuffed, so I can put a lot of chili in them. Although I do have a video on this channel showing you how to make super stuffer tortillas at home, so make sure to check that out. So up first, what I do is I just heat up that Sunday chili or weekend chili or freezer chili, whatever you have. And once it's hot, I scoop it inside of my tacos. Now, you do want to kind of drain out some of the liquid so your tortillas or your taco boats don't get super soggy. I'm gonna take some shredded cheese because taco toppings, chili toppings are very important. Some guacamole. You can also use avocados as well. If you wanna put salsa, do you normally put salsa? Let me know in the comments below what you use to top your chili and therefore your taco chilies. And a little sour cream. Check these out, friends. So obviously using these little taco boats make it really simple and easy to make these chili tacos. Now, if you don't have these around, you can also use your favorite crispy taco shells. Now, they do need to be toasted or heated up first so they are not stale-ish, but I did that already. So we just take our crispy taco shell, and again, you want to make sure that you minimize the amount of liquid that goes in there. Now, some dripping will happen, so you wanna just kind of fill it up. Let's top it with some cheese, guacamole, sour cream. My friends, we have a chili taco. All right, let's try it out. It's going to be messy, but that's all right. The things I do for you. So good. My favorite chili, the crispy taco shell. You've got to try the recipe. Make sure to check the link below the video for all the details for the chili recipes, whether it's turkey, all meat, veggie, the beans, you name it. We've got it. See you next time.